Hello everyone, greetings from Sarpan Consulting Services Private Limited. So today we are back with one of our module videos based on website wiki menu. As you can see in our screen, this module allows to change the behavior of a menu website and show it in a wiki menu so that we can get multiple clickable actions on different links that we want to show. As you know that wikis are now very useful and are used in many uh, websites for data showing and detailing purpose. So let's go to our module and check out how this module works. So let's go to our website module. Inside our website module, there is a configuration menu. Under that there's a menus item. So when we go to this particular menus item, as we can see here, all of our website menu items are available. So what we will be doing is simply we will start to create one menu item. Let's say I am creating one HR policies. Okay, so I will be giving it HRP. Is it a wiki menu? Yes, it is a wiki menu. So I'll select it as a wiki menu and I'll give it our main default main menu as our parent menu to this particular class. Let's give my website to our website menu so that it will be available in only website menu module. Now, let's create another module for, let's say, leave policies. Inside this particular leave policies, we do not want it to be a wiki menu. We want it to be a part of wiki menu. So I will be direct creating it. I will not be selecting this particular cell checkbox, and I will be giving it as parent as HR policies that I have created previously, and I will be selecting its website. So that is the now let's create one another module of, let's say, payroll policies, and that will be PCO if I'm giving it. And I will be putting same HR policies, my wiki menu, that main menu as my parent menu, and select my website. So when we click on save, and now if we go to our website and look at our website, that menu will be directly available in our screen, as you can see. Now when you click on this HR policies, here all both the menu that we have created of leave and payroll will be directly available. The main feature or main benefit of our wiki menu is that we have a search menu, and based on that we will be able to search directly. So what we can do is, now if we want, we can directly create a page based on this. So let's create a single page and put some details on it from this. So let me simply add some details in this and save that. So once we have done this, in our leave policies, this detail will directly be shown. Now if we go to our payroll policies and create another page, and if we want, we can add another details based on our requirement to this page. As you can see, we have added some other features here also. So we will be able to select and edit every single details on our pages. If we want, we can also create some document and attach it directly to this particular page, so that when it is displayed, it will simply display those documents based on our requirement. So whenever we are creating this menu, we will be simply able to look at all the details. And the one thing, the major point is, the left side menu will always be available, or it will not be a movable object. The page on right, it will change, but not on the left. So if we are clicking on every link, we will be able to open different number of pages based on our requirement. So we can put number of pages based on our requirement. Let me show you one another example where we have created our employee handbook based on this module. So here we have created number of menus based on our requirement, and on single every menu, we have put some details or documents attached to it. And if we want, we can simply search and get our details from that also. So this is how the module of website wiki menu works. If you wish to know more about our modules, then please go to our, you can also look at our YouTube channel. And if you want, you can also contact us at contact@serpentcs.com. Thank you.